Hello everybody! You might be asking yourself why it's dark in here. We're getting real creepy today. We're getting really creepy. We're getting up close and personal. Because I'm here to tell you a couple things that I don't want to tell anybody else. You might have noticed within the last couple videos, I am naked. I like to be naked because that means I can jerk off whenever I want to do it. And I'm going to do it. You be certain that I'm going to jerk off. I'm not even going to know what's happening. It's going to be crazy times. I'm going to try to find, it's dark. I'm going to try to find something. Shit. You like that special effects? That's the kind of special effects we get up in this bitch. You don't know nothing about power, and you don't know nothing about fear, because we're doing all sorts of crazy shit. I'm sick of this bullshit. I'm getting out of here. Bye. Can I go be creepy in the darkness?